When we hear the word Republic Day, many of us think about flags, parades and patriotic songs. But Republic Day is not just a celebration. It is a reminder of the values that form the foundation of our nation. Every year on January 26th, India celebrates Republic Day. But have you ever wondered why this particular day is so important in our history? India became independent on August 15, 1947. That day marked the end of British rule. However, independence alone does not make a country strong. A nation also needs a system of laws and principles that protect its people and guide its future. That is why India needed a constitution. On January 26, 1950, the Constitution of India came into effect. From that day onwards, India became a republic. This means that the highest power of the country lies within its people, not with a king or a ruler. The citizens of India choose their leaders and are governed by the laws made for the people and by the people. But January 26th was not chosen randomly. In the year 1930, Indian leaders declared Purna Swaraj, which means complete independence. January 26th was the day chosen to symbolize this dream. Even though freedom was achieved later, this date was remembered to honor the sacrifices and determination of our freedom fighters. The Constitution of India is one of the longest and the most detailed constitutions in the world. But it is not just a legal document. It is a promise made to every citizen of India. This promise is based on four important values: justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. Justice means being fair to everyone. Liberty means freedom to think, speak and live with dignity. Equality means every citizen is equal, regardless of the religion, caste, gender or background. Fraternity means a sense of brotherhood and unity among all Indians. These values remind us that India is not united by language or culture alone, but by the shared principles. Republic Day is also a reminder of our rights and duties. The Constitution gives us fundamental rights, but it also expects us to perform our duties responsibly, following laws, respecting public property, helping others and protecting our environment are some ways we contribute as responsible citizens. As students, we may feel that our role is small, but every responsible action matters. Being honest, respecting teachers, standing up against injustice, and treating everyone with kindness are ways we practice the values of our Constitution in daily life. The Republic Day Parade showcases India's strength, diversity and unity. Different states, cultures and traditions come together, reminding us that India's diversity is its greatest strength. However, Republic Day should not be limited to parades or speeches. Its true meaning lies in how we live our lives. When we respect differences, follow rules and act with integrity, we truly honor our republic. Being an Indian citizen is not just about enjoying rights. It is about accepting responsibilities. Freedom comes with discipline, and democracy survives when citizens are aware and responsible. As the future of our nation, students carry a special responsibility. The values we practice today will shape the India of tomorrow. So on this Republic Day, let us not only celebrate our nation's achievements, but also reflect on our duties. Let us promise to uphold the ideals of our Constitution and contribute positively to society. Because the strength of a republic does not lie in its buildings or weapons, but in the character of its people. Proud to be an Indian? Happy Republic Day! I hope you like this video. For more such videos, Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until my next video, stay curious and keep reading. Signing off, Page Pulse Bailey. See you next time.